Hey YouTubers! Hey YouTubers, Warner Rob Muffet. Guys, we're going to talk about a free app called ColorNote. Have you ever had a phone call and a month later you couldn't remember exactly what you said or what you agreed to? This is a little program that's called ColorNote that's free for Android. I think Apple has something called Apple Notes, would be similar. But this program allows you to set up files, little notes, and it's color coordinated. And I have been using it for my phone. And what I do is I set it up in a way that I can search later on and find out all the information about every phone call that I've made or received that was important to me. And one way I do that is I use the same format for every phone call. So I start with the title, what it's about. In this case, it would be, for the format, would be doctor. You could have apartment, you could have automobile mechanic, whatever you're talking about in that particular phone call, you could have it for a certain category. In this case, we're going to use doctor as a category. We're going to put then the time and the date, March 20th, 3:15 time, who we talked to. We talked to Dr. Boombats. What was the topic? Medication refill, TGS, and the notes. What we talked about was approving the refill, a $45 cost, follow-up call back in 2 weeks. Then we finish, we put doctor again. That helps us know that this particular note was finished and what it was about. And then between different notes or phone calls, I put the letters Q. I repeat them because these are letters that would not repeat themselves in a normal sentence. So every time I make a phone call, receive a phone call, after I finish, I go and put the time, date, who I talked to, what was it about, and then what was the decisions or cost or times or dates or whatever. Main thing we want to remember later on, what was it about. And then we save it. Now, the cool thing about this is that you don't have to type it, is you could just speak it. If you go into your phone calls, if you want to edit, this will bring up the edit function, so you can press on the microphone. We are making a phone call experiment and using the speech-to-text program to show the results. Now, if we want to save that, it's saved. If we want to edit, click on the edit bar and bring up our different features for the editing. If we want to move the cursor around, like here's the cursor, you can press on this button here and we get cursor control. Do it again. So that way you can move the cursor around. If you want to split, you can split, or you can make it come back. So that's the way you can edit. Now, you can color coordinate different files to separate them. You can also, when you do your search, this is the other thing I want to mention. Every time you do a search, you just type in or speak in a word, and like, let's do Michelle. Michelle is in my phone calls, in this particular 1:35 p.m. Let's do another search. Flipper, or doctor, no, Flipper. Flipper's in 3 different folders. Fish. Fish is in not any phone calls at all, but it's in a bunch of other folders. So this ColorNote program is very easy to use. It's free, and if you use the same format for each time you make or receive a phone call, it'll be very easy to search. You don't have to type. You can just use the edit feature to use the voice to text. It also comes with other features like a calendar. And here again, you can just click on a date and then you can add text and then an experiment to show how it works. So it's saved, So on this state, you can see a little yellow circle. We click on there. So that's how simple it is to add text to your different dates in your calendar. But we're basically talking about phone calls. So anytime you receive a phone call, you can use this and set it up and then search so easily. So long as you continue to use the same format, you'll have who you talk to, when you talk to, and then your notes will be what you talked about. So it'd be very easy. And if you have to scroll through, let's say you do a lot of work with contractors, so you have a lot of contractor phone calls. If you have to scroll through them, you can make sure that you separate them by the different letter Q like I did, and you can, when you start scrolling through, you can see when each paragraph stops and ends. So that's a very simple free program that I've been using a lot, and it's so handy if you talk to somebody and 3 months later they don't remember things the way you did, and if you wrote it down 5 minutes after the phone call, you pretty much remember what you said. And like I said, if you write stuff down on a notepad, you don't know where the notepad is, or you have 5 different notepads, or sometimes you can't read your writing. So long as you don't use your phone, if you don't lose your phone, this is a very handy way to store your phone calls for a very long time. And I think it's something that if you've never used before, once you start using it, you might realize it's pretty handy. And also, the ColorNote is handy for a lot of other things other than the phone calls. But I hadn't seen anybody focusing on that, how to capture the information from their phone calls, other than recording. But even then, you don't have it in text. They have speech-to-text programs that automatically do that, but they're a little more complicated, and sometimes they cost. But this is free, easy to use, and if I can use it, anybody can. I think I was the last person in America to buy a smartphone, and even then I bought a cheap one that's broke. So guys, I hope this helped you, and you check out my other videos I've been making for 19 years. All right, guys, take care. See you out there.